Welcome to the Lecture-380 lecture video on filters. There are two types of filters: passive filters, which only contain resistors, capacitors, and inductors and use no amplifiers. Also, we have active filters, which contain amplifiers with the resistors, capacitors, and inductors. The first type is a low-pass filter, where when we look at a gain versus frequency chart here, that low-pass filters pass lower frequencies and block higher frequencies. So this is the typical shape of a low-pass filter. Here's a typical response curve for a high-pass filter, where we pass high frequencies and block low pass frequency. And here this is gain and this is frequency. Here I'm showing a Bode plot, and Bode plotters plot amplitude versus frequency, at least this one does. And what we see is a characteristic curve here of our filter, and this is based on a 0.001 microfarad capacitor. And this would be a high-pass filter. Capacitors pass high frequencies, block low frequencies. At 0.707 volts, we have our cutoff frequency. And this is minus 3 dB, that our cutoff frequency here of our curve. So that's where we set it at. And this would be the cutoff frequency at this filter. Another type of filter is a bandpass filter, where we pass a very narrow band of frequencies. And the bandwidth is measured at the half power point, or 3 dB at the middle here. The last type of filter is a band reject, where we block a narrow band of frequencies at our half power point.